Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Oh, no pretty? Welcome you all, my new subscribers. Welcome to the Jamaican kitchen, you all. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. And most of all, welcome to this little chitty chatty moment, you all. The weather is hot. We started having some rains. Like just a little bit and it stopped, so it's worse out. So you know what happened? I want to tone down. I am having a little iced tea, y'all. This is the lemongrass and the ginger iced tea. Cheers. I have some chicken when I eat up over there, so. By the way, before I go any further, do you all hit the returns train? Do you ride the returns train? Any of you all happen to ride the returns train? And when I say ride the returns trains, I simply mean, do you use up your returns? Do you refrigerate your left box and use them again? Because any of you do that, I would be so happy. Leave it in the comments below. I've got company, honey. Because I eat that return train. I ride that return train, man. Now, me always hungry, you know, so I'm going to take one slice of bread. Come have the piece of chicken, returns chicken, y'all. So, I'm going to get a little piece of my return. I don't even know what kind of part it is, but I'm going to get. Hello, please. This is not a stush thing. You know, so we don't have no stush. This is like a returns fried chicken, you see? So we'll be talking and just going through and just just give a little shout out, you know. Because you know what happened? I love my kitchen. And I hope you all do too. I like my kitchen. Most of my activities take place in my kitchen. When my kids were smaller, like a story time. When they come from school in the evening with the homework and stuff, they're long table here. One day I'm going to show you the length and breadth of it. This is a long table here. They would stay at one end on the stool with the homework and I would assist them. Meanwhile, I'm right here from the stove to the sink doing it. Honey, this is my favorite place in my kitchen. That's why I always film from here. I'm so comfortable right here. So, if any of you are use up your returns, let me know in the comments below. And make an effort to throw them away, please. I mean, no, you don't have a problem with me eating. You know my belly long, don't it? I'm hungry. Come here, I just come off of the road just to pay some bills and I come back. I never have no money to buy anything in a patio when I'm done. Just my taxi fare for come. I'm hungry. I look a piece of chicken, I'm looking for a little pepper, but I don't see any nearby. This is not the right pepper I'm looking for, y'all. I don't know. But may I put the other one here? So now, I just want to let you know that cooking is not anything where you have to bored with. You can be in your kitchen and you're not cooking and you're not bored. Okay, y'all? I have this YouTube channel and we cook on it. But every day I go get up, come in there, come cook, demonstrate to the people and demonstrate, and then the people are tired of me. I'm bored. So I'm doing a little eating, a little chili chai. And I'm also welcoming my new subscribers. Cool, nice juice. I'm going to have one little uninvited guest found because I got to open my door. So now, I'm just letting you know that cooking is not anything to be bored about. You know, sometimes a lot of us ladies, well, we shy away from the kitchen honestly, because I know a lot of ladies, them hate the cooking. But remember, when you have husbands, you know, them say the way to a man's heart is through his stomach as well. Yeah, I think it's so. Oh. of us as women, we are afraid of the kitchen. But I'm telling you, sometimes the reason why we don't like it, because we tend to get bored. But you don't have to do things that you get bored. You can make your kitchen the center of your family, or the center of your house, your household. Because with small kids around, when you're doing things, you let them interact in the kitchen, come and do things with you. Let's make it fun. My kids love the kitchen because I let them go up in it. Do them little thing, run them little show, and go on with them little something. Okay? So the kitchen not have to be all that boring. Every time you come, you just cook. So yeah, man, we can sit down and yam piece of bread and eat like a piece of returns chicken, drink little juice, little iced tea, and chat. Not true. Message your friend and all and something. And then we can even share ideas. So all you all out there, welcome once more. Fear, you don't need no introduction. You are world boss. Not true. You're world boss for resting them their lives. You don't need any introduction, baby. So you know what happened right here now? I just want to try to give a few shout outs, and if you don't hear your name call, I'm not going in depth. Nobody had asked me to. I just took it upon myself to give a few shout outs to some of my new YouTube family, my new subs. So if you don't hear your name, don't worry as we go along. So, baby girl, I'm not going to call out all your names because I'm not sure if you want everybody to know your name. I'm just going to try to go low. Baby girl J, you recently subscribed. Big up yourself, large up. Hi, I tell you if you're not bigging you up, you're well big up already. Melissa R, you know yourself, Zonny, you recently subscribed. Welcome to the fam. True Success, and you know your number behind it. Welcome. Whether honey or bunny, welcome, yo. Okay. Some of you got to call your full name depending on how the name is. Boondocks. Big up yourself. Hannah H, large up. Yeah. Ethiopian H, Ethiopia H. Welcome to the fam. Large up. Brooks B. Four numbers, you know yourself. Big up yourself. You see why I'm doing it this way? I'm not sure if I can go ahead and, but I don't want to call out everybody full names. Most of them are their social media names, and I don't want to do that. If they say I'm to do it, I'm fine. But I'm just, doing a little thing, a little chit chat thing, and getting all in the mix. So I want to just show some appreciation by, okay, Shiri Ross, you know yourself, large up, Gabrielle S, big up. Sarita K, large up. Tracy S, big up yourself, child. Priyanka, yeah, long time, ma. How you doing, girl? I am Duke, welcome. Rena, yeah, all time too. How are you doing, honey, child? Are you okay? These are bites. How's the thing going, girl? I'm not hearing from you. And you need to learn to let me pronounce your son's name. I can't, honey. You need to get on to me, honey. I need to hear from you. Okay? Oh, Oh, Shane, large up. Tanya N, big up yourself, honey, child. Yeah. And that's Sean N, large up. Big up yourself, y'all. And all who don't hear their names in this session, welcome. And big up yourselves, y'all. Big up on yourself. Jamaican patois, large up. And you on a large and in charge. Big up on yourself. Me say that. Yeah. Now what I'm saying to you all, this video is like a little chitty chatty, eating some little returns, you all. You know what happened? I'm working on a nice bonus for you all. I don't know how much are you. can really put on your thinking cap. Your thinking cap, so to speak. But I'm working on a bonus for you all. Don't worry, it's coming along. I've been preparing you from the other day, but don't worry. Lord, the chicken dry and the bread dry, family. Oh Lord, I've got to get some liquid, no more liquid in. Now fam, some of you all are having problems with the language, the patois. Somebody had commented on the the curry chicken video that they didn't understand a word. I said more than one person. I'm sorry you all for that. When I was doing that video, at that time I was doing the videos all in patois. But I know people love the patois, you know. But it's sort of sad when the patois is being spoken and you don't understand it. I know. And I think this young miss commented, she said she's an American. And she has understood every single thing I said. Big up to you. Not everybody can, honey. So you know what happened? I'm just going to try to correct that video. But I'm just giving it a little time. I'm going to redo that curry chicken video for you all. Okay? And I want everybody to get in. I don't want nobody left out. I want no one be left out. Because when I do the videos, I want you all to learn to cook Jamaican. That's why I go in depth. I don't want to be here cooking and enjoying and eating full of my belly and you'll say, oh God, each time she do the video, my mouth what, and I'm not getting in. I want it to be in. I want you all to be in and to get to do it. Some people are privileged, they might not understand, but they have people who can explain to them. Some are not. So I just want to get everything in one accord because I want you all to be enjoying the ride. I don't want anybody to drop off and when we reach your destination we can't find some other people. No. So I'm not going to stay here the whole day and eat my dried bread and a piece of chicken dry. But for I don't matter and I don't mind because I'm not a gravy person. But I'm just going to leave you for now. Just a little different to the chat, you know, thing kind of thing. And then yeah, you all. I'm putting you to the test. If you can think and come up with the answer to that bonus that I'm about to give you all, leave it in the comments below. Debbie from down a yard, may I eat my dry bread and may I eat my dry chicken, but I have my juice here and I don't want to bore you much more. Just want to kind of chit-chat a different kind of thing, you know. As I always say, the kitchen is not all about just cooking and demonstrating each time. It's about our sitting down, talking, getting into depths of things and all, but it is still in the kitchen, so we're keeping it right here, we're keeping it real. And from my dry bread to you all, I know you're not eating dry bread. It's love, peace, happiness. If you like this little chit-chat video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and continue subscribing. Share the videos with your friends, with your families, with your co-workers. Continue to leave your comments below. And most of all, love you all. Debbie from Doha Yard.